In this video, we are going to discuss how exactly we can visualize the complete data of a data frame rather than truncating the data. Let's say you have a column which has a data which cannot be accommodated within a column, then how you can visualize the particular data in it. So first of all, I will be importing some functions into it. Now I will be creating a data frame. So I have some data in which I have my email address as the first column and then department, state and salary. So this email address is actually long email address. So it will not be displayed in if you just do a show command, but this particular email is small, so you will be able to visualize it. So how exactly you can visualize the complete data of this particular column? So let's say I am creating a data frame out of it by mentioning the schema. If you don't know how to create the data frame, please watch my previous video. I pinned it in the I button, and then come back to this video to actually know how to go ahead and visualize the complete data. So I am creating this data frame. Now I will be showing the data by df.show. So it will go ahead and show me the data. Now you see that it has actually truncated the data. So by default, the truncate is actually true. If I rerun this command with truncate equal to true, it is going to show me the same result. Now, if I need to show the complete result, what I need to do is I need to go ahead and do a truncate equal to false. So once I do truncate equal to false, it will give me the complete data of my column. So this was a very short video in which I have explained you how exactly you can check the complete data of a data frame using the truncate command of false. So if you have liked the video, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. I will come up with the next video next time with some new functions and definitions.